Welcome back, guys. So another question we're getting a lot these days in our Facebook group is, how do we invert colors? For example, I've got this image on my workspace. It's not transparent. It has a white background. And the question is, how do we make the whites black and how do we make the blacks white? Because sometimes, we do need to convert images into opposite colors in order to use them for sublimation or DTF or anything else that we might want to use. So today I'm going to take you through the steps that I would use to invert the colors on this image. Now, I've got this image on my workspace and you're going to notice that I have this little color chooser here, but it's not really going to do much. If I click that, and I select purple, it's not going to change anything except for it looks like there's a little dot here that it might be changing. If you see a color chooser on your workspace, you can feel free to try that to change the colors of your image. It might not work because this is a graphic image, and for this graphic image, unless it is an SVG, you won't be able to change the colors of this image. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this image, we're going to select Edit, and we're going to go to Duotone. And if you want to change the colors to any of these options for Duotone, you can, or we can just select the Custom option. And then for the shadows, we're gonna invert these two colors. So for the shadows, I'm gonna make it white, and for the highlights, I'm gonna make it black. So let's start with the shadows. I'll make that white. And for the highlights, I'm gonna make that black. So now we have this image here where the design colors have been inverted. Let's grab the original and compare them side by side. So here is the original, and we can see that the colors on this edited version have been inverted in comparison to the original image. Now, if you only wanted the white parts, you can remove the background and you'll be left with the white parts only. Now, if you wanted the black on the text, you can go back into background remover. You can click the restore button and you can just restore that part of the image. And that's what that would look like. So this is how we can invert an image, switching colors from black and white to white and black. So this is one way of inverting images in Canva. What do you think? Did you learn anything in this video? Is this what you were looking for? If it wasn't and you need another tutorial request, there is a form in my description. Fill it out and I'll add your request to my list of tutorials. And if you learned anything in this video, press the like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. And if you want to learn more about my live classes, just let me know in the comments and I'll tell you more. All right, for now, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye until next time.